Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to my website. My name is Daryl and this is Programming in Any Language. The website is www.black-duck.com. It's where you'll find all my videos organized in logical order. You can begin with the basics and then move on to the advanced concepts. You can also start with the speed track and build an application from scratch, which should pique your curiosity with a desire to learn more. The data entry screen is complete. It's time to code the display screen. Well, almost. We need to make sure the data entry screen is working smoothly, that nothing's been missed. It's important to check this portion of the application because we want to code the display screen portion knowing that everything we are going to display is good data. Let's test. Okay, I think what we still need to do is we need to send this to the back here and enter this next race stuff. I need to put that into place, and I think we can usually steal a lot of code from this particular piece. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. We did name this, right? Double check that real quickly. Yeah, button save race data. Oh no, this is going to be enter. Double click on that thing. Button next race. This is what we want. So I'm going to double click on this thing. That'll create an event. There it is right there. And what do we want to put on it? We really want to put in the stuff that we actually used for starting this thing in the first place, which happens to be the button data entry. If we look at that, the button data entry is everything I think we need. I'm just going to grab all this stuff here and do a Control-C on it and then bring it down to our routine right here. And then we'll check it and see what we got to do. We want to turn on these panels. We want to turn on the data entry screen panel, turn that on, turn the data display off. Race results enabled, true, that's true. We want to clear off the text files for track name and all that kind of stuff. We also want to clear off our labels. So we want to be able to, we got label file written. That's visible false, it's good. Button next race, we're going to turn that thing invisible. We don't need to see that anymore. We want to set the track name to our focus. We certainly want to do that. We also want to clear off the list boxes. Do we want to save this button race data enabled? False. We want to turn these things off too. And we also want to clear off the track information. I think we can do that by looking at our other button here, which is our clear. Is it a clear button here? We're going to do it. No, that just clears off the data entry pieces. We're going to literally have to type this thing in, so we'll go ahead and do that. And so right on the track, right in front of the track, folks, I'll put in the list boxes. We're going to clear these list boxes off. So let's go ahead and do that. List box driver data dot items dot clear. List box KHP data dot items dot clear and LBX M data items dot clear. That should take care of all that stuff. Let's go ahead and do a file save quickly. Do a quick test. Go to our data entry screen. Put our track name of my place. 3, 4, laps 48, save, Daffy, 1, 2, 3 seconds, add, Elmer, 1, 2, 1 second, add, and Tweety, 1, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, add. Oops, can't do that. You got to have a finish time of minutes. It's like I'd have a minute in there. I can't have 0 minutes. That could be an error. That could be an error we're looking at here. We do want to create the 100 minutes. Yeah. So let's put in a 1 here and then leave the 0 there. We'll correct that piece and put it in place. And we have our stuff done. We're going to save all drivers information. We'll save it to the test race data here and put it out there. I'm going to overwrite it. And now we want to enter next race. And that looks like it clears everything we want. We're sitting up in the text area here. We didn't put our focus up here. Oh, this is not on. It actually closes off, so we want to fix that. This is not on. So let's look at that entry again. We are setting our focus where? Next race. Track name focus. Yeah, but we're turning off the display. We got a panel. That entry is true. It's visible. It's not enabled. We simply need to enable that panel. PNL data entry dot enabled is equal to true. And let's fix that little problem we have in the data entry piece too right away. That's in our add button right here. And int minutes 0 equal to. That's all we need to do there. Yeah, that'll work. File save. I haven't even started testing it. I'm still finding things. So that's the interesting thing about this. You will find stuff on here. Again, my place. 2, 3. Number of laps, 48. Save. We'll look at Daffy. He's going to 1 hour, 31 minutes, and 4 seconds. Add. Elmer, 1 hour, 40 minutes, and 2 seconds. Add. Let's give Tweety, test this real quickly in 1 hour. No, we want to have many minutes. Let's make him a winner. What the heck? Can we put 0 seconds in? Why not? We certainly can. It evens it up right now. So that's working just fine. We'll now save all data. Again, out to the test area. Looking good. Enter next race. That clears it all off. And we're still not here. We're still not enabling this panel. Why? Everything else is fine. We need to enable that panel. Group driver enables false. Group. GRP track. Enable equals true. Yeah, we're not touching that group. We need to turn that thing on. I'm thinking that's it. Do it again. My track. 4, 3, 4, whatever. It doesn't matter. The real numbers are going to actually take care of that. So that goes dim. Daffy, 1 hour, 0 minutes, really fast, 0 seconds. That gets added nicely. Okay, that's perfect. Tweety, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 34 seconds. Add. And Elmer, 1 hour, 35 minutes, and 55 seconds. Add. Looks good. Save all drivers. Test race data. Put it in there. Looks good. We'll enter next race. Now we're looking good. We can go ahead and my new track. We'll just add 1 here. 4, 5. Number of laps, we'll say 50. And we'll save it. And I think we'll have Yosemite, and give him 1 hour, 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Add. And Henry Hawk. Henry, 1 hour, 40 minutes, 2 seconds. Add. Save that one. Oh, this is not turning back on. Okay, so that's interesting to note. We did not turn this back on. We need to engage that. So another little problem here. We'll test this guy. We want the Save Data button to be turned on. So we're looking at button save. Button save race data enabled. This should be true. Yeah. And we want it visible. Button save race data dot visible equals true. Go through the saving process again. Well, let's do two quick ones. Two new data pieces here. My track 1, 3, 4, 5. Save. Daffy. 1, 1, 1. Add. Save it. This will make this a new one. Test 1 of 2. Dot text. Enter next race. My. Oh, it can be not enabled. We can do that thing too, the save all there, because it's going to be turned on when we actually get to this thing. So track name will be my track 2. 2, 2, 2. Save. Tweety. 2, 2, 2. Add. Save all drivers. Bang. This will be text 2 of 2. Save. Looks good. Enter next race. Bang. We're there. Okay, so this is working. I just want to stop the enable of this thing. I want to make it unenabled. So let's kill it. That's a group save data button enabled. It's going to be false. We'll leave that at false because the save button in the track information turns this on. So we can leave it like that. And that should be in good shape. So I'm going to kill this. We'll do some more testing on this later. If we have any problems, we'll do it. And close it off. I'm glad we did that. There was certainly a bit of unfinished stuff in our data entry. It's so much better to take care of that stuff now. We can move forward and code the display screen without any worries. Or can we? We'll go ahead and code that display screen in the next video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to use the website for easy access to all my videos. If you get a chance, please subscribe. That way you'll be notified when something new is available. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.